Hey there, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to practice more in Python, and I've got some interesting questions for you. Before we begin, I want you all to comment down that I love Python and also like, share and subscribe or follow. Now let's begin. I'm going to continue in the same file as previously, and our first question is, give the user his grade based on the marks he got. That means we have to enter our marks and we'll get the grade. So if the marks is between 80 and 100, we'll get A. If it is between 60 and 80, we'll get B. 40 to 60, C. 30 to 40, D. And 0 to 30 is F. Let's do that. First, take the input marks from the user. So int, or I'll do int only, and then input, enter the marks. Now we'll use if statements. If the marks is bigger than or is it equals to 80, and is it less than or is it equals to 100. So maybe the simple thing is that is it between 80 and 100. Simple logic. And I'll put some parentheses to make it more readable. Okay, grade is equals to A. Elif, because we don't use more than one if, and if we want more than one condition, then we use elif at that time, not if again and again. Marks is bigger than equals to 60 and marks is less than 80, not less than equals to, because here we are counting 80. Is the mark bigger than or is the mark 80 here? So basically when it is 80, it will become A. But we don't, if we put less than equals to, then again equals to is there. Then again if the marks is 80, it will become A also and B also, both. So we don't want that. We want it to be 79. So we'll do less than 80. 79 means less than 80 only. Because it less than 80 means it will not be 80. It will be less than it always. So that's why we are using less than and not less than equals to. Grade equals to B. Now same for others. Is greater than equals to 40 and is less than 60. And here we have 30. And then elif for fail. I'm not using else here because else will mean that a number is not in the range of 1 and 100. So at that time I'll use else. So that's why for fail also I'm using elif. Else zero and 100. Now let us print the grades. Your grade is, and then the grade. Let's try that. Enter the marks. 34, I got D. Correct. 96 and I got A. And 45 I got C. And 75 I got B. There you go. Our first question is done. Now let's move on to the second question. Check whether the given number is positive, negative or 0. This is going to be very simple. I'll show you. Number is equals to int, and then input, enter a number. Okay, I'll just do this. Or I'll do enter positive, negative or 0. Negative positive number, just to be more clear, or 0. And then, I'll just do, yeah, okay, I'll let this is okay. If number is equals to 0, then print the number is 0. If number is greater than 0, not 0 but greater than 0, print the number is a positive. It's positive number. Okay, it's a positive number. And same for the negative one. If number is less than 0, print the number is I don't know what is the spelling of negative, forgive me for that. Okay, the number is a negative number. Else please enter positive number, negative number or a 0, and we'll take input, int input, and then like this, number is equals to, actually not like this, we'll do print only, print a positive number, wait, why is this happening, enter positive number, negative number or a 0. Now let's try this. Let's say 45, the number is a positive number. Let's try 0, the number is 0. Let's try minus 4, the number is a negative number. Okay, let's try A. No, this will not work because it's not a number. Okay, so there you go, you got our second question. Now let's move to the third question without wasting time. Check whether the uppercase, lowercase alphabet or a number was entered. Now this is a little bit interesting. You have to check whether uppercase alphabet was entered or lowercase alphabet or a number was entered. To check that, we just do greater than A and less than Z to check whether it is an alphabet. I'll tell you how. Al is equals to input, enter a uppercase or a lowercase single alphabet or a single number, single digit number. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Now if al, or I'll just say imp, is greater than A and int is less than Z. That means it's a lowercase alphabet. A lowercase alphabet was entered. Okay, and then elif int is bigger than A and input is less than Z. Uppercase and uppercase alphabet was entered. Well, and then elif, or you can just do else. A number was entered. There you go. Let's try it. Wait a second. It's bigger than equals to and less than equals to. A lowercase alphabet was entered, because if I didn't do equals to, then it will not consider A, it will consider B to Y. So that's why is equals to was important. I'll do F capital and uppercase alphabet 3, a number was entered. There you go, as simple as that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.